Okay, so with Kevin now, we just reviewed the side sleeping position with the leg up. But now I just do want to make a comment on supporting the arm, because that question comes up, especially with people that might have some shoulder pain problems or some rotator cuff issues in which sleeping on their side is their preferred position, but it's uncomfortable when that arm is up on top. In order to show this, I'm going to put him back into the more fetal position with the pillows so that we can view his arms here. So let me take this out and scoot up towards me. Just here. So here, I'll just make sure, just as a review, that it's tucked up all the way towards kind of the pelvic, the groin region is comfortable. His legs are supported. Once again, his knee is about the level of the hip, if not just a tad lower, well supported. And just for the sake of time here, I will not put an extra support here as I did with Rose. However, typically I would put in a little bit of a support here just to really even him out and have that pelvic and low back area feel better. So with Kevin here, once again, I'll use 2 pillows, 2 for the price of 1. At home, if you have a nice firm pillow, that would probably be more useful. Otherwise, something that can really help support you. I need to fill in the space between what would be the bed up through about what would be the armpit. So kind of go up here. So pretty much up to here. So you'll have to kind of take a look around. And it's a little, be a little creative with this, and just having to experiment with what you have. You'll know if it feels better. Some people will just try to do that or stick a pillow in here. I feel like that can be okay. I just don't know if you will last all night long like this, because the body eventually just tries to relax throughout the night. So with Kevin here, we're going to start with, here we go. So with him, you can see I went all the way up towards his armpit as comfortable, and then here. I'll do this, you can see it. So with him, it will be hard to probably get the whole extremity completely horizontal. You might be able to, or if you're post-surgical or recently off of surgery and you're able to sleep without a sling, you might really feel like you need that support. So in that case, you'll probably be covering your face. I'll be covering Kevin's face a little bit. Just make sure you can breathe. And you probably would need to be in this position here. But in most cases, as long as you have this upper arm supported, the elbow and some of the arm, you could always tuck in your pillow this way, and then it's fully supported from up here. So it takes the weight of the arm off to all the little tendons and joints here, which can then help ease some of the discomfort throughout the night. How does this feel?
Good.
Okay. And so it's also your comfort level. Just make sure that you don't have to block your nose or your mouth. But it might be kind of snug up there. But once again, you might need to look around your house to see if there's just one good pillow. Maybe it's a sofa pillow. Maybe it's one of your kids' stuffed animals. I have my kids, they have a big stuffed panda. They have a few of them, so I usually could sometimes grab one. And that just fits nicely, and it's enough for me to have some support. So you might need to get creative at home. And so that would be if you need some upper extremity support.